journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So congratulations on taking that step with your decision to register for CAT 2024. We Team Insight, the official admission coordinators of IIM Kashipur, have put together a comprehensive tutorial to help you kickstart your registration process for the exam.
After entering your name and date of birth as per your Class 10 mark sheets, make sure you enter your current email address and confirm it. After this, select your country, enter your mobile number, confirm it, and then you can generate the OTP. Verify the mobile OTP and the one that was sent to your email ID. Make sure you click on Agree in the declaration form, enter the correct CAPTCHA code and confirm. Check all your details, select the checkbox, and then you're ready to confirm your details. Click on Submit, and then you will be taken to the application form. Your details will now be visible. Make sure you check them thoroughly. Select your category, and if you are selecting EWS, make sure that the certificate issue date, the serial and entry number are all accurate. If you are a PWD candidate, you have the option of choosing a scribe or a wheelchair for your test center. Enter your address, both current and permanent. Enter your emergency contact details and upload the documents that have been asked for. Please follow the guidelines for the photograph and the signature and make sure that all your documents are in order and ready to go. Click Save and Next, and then you can enter your academic details. First, you have your 10th standard marks, followed by the 12th, after which you can enter your degree details. Make sure that the percentage is rounded off to 2 decimal digits and not more and not less. Enter the details such as your university, your degree, discipline, and the month, year of course commencement and completion. If applicable, and if you do have a second degree, make sure you enter those details as well. If you hold a master's degree, enter those details, followed by professional degree details. Click on Save and Next, and you will be taken to a page where you can enter your work experience. Enter the industry of your company and your work experience, after which the total work experience will be calculated. Now, you can choose the program for which you want to apply, as well as the interview city preference. Make sure that it is a location to which you can easily travel. For instance, we'll click on IIM Kashipur's MBA program. We're selecting Mumbai as our city here, and the second preference is Delhi. Check all the programs you want to apply to and make sure you're thorough. Again, click Save and Next, and then you will be taken to a page where you can select your test city preferences. You can select 5 cities, so make sure that they're all within easy conveying distance of your house. Next, you will be taken to a page where you can pay the registration fee. Select your mode of payment, click the declaration form, and enter the CAPTCHA code. Review all your details, make sure they are accurate, and click on OK.
We hope you found the video to be informative and insightful. Kindly note that the deadline for registration ends at 5 p.m. on September 13, 2024. Team Insight wishes you the very best for your upcoming journey and stay tuned for further updates.